What's up, everybody? Bill from HoloModels RC. I have got my SuperFlyingMan. This is the Oversized Cape. This is also the Snow King from the video on how to add your own head to my SuperFlyingMan. This is the Maiden of this specific model. I've flown a bunch of different ones of these. This will be the Maiden of this one. Trying to take this guy to Flight Fest. So I'm going to fly it once or twice and then retire it until June 19th, 2025. Turned out to be a very beautiful day today. Give me just a second, get my bearings, so I'm going to toss it. I did put the rudder on the bottom on this one. You can put it on the top or the bottom. This one I put a 2836 1500 4S motor in it. So it should have plenty of power. It's got that big oversized wing. It should float and fly a little bit better than the scale size Cape. This is a novelty flying Superman, or SuperFlyingMan rather. He's got plenty of power. Oh, he's trimmed pretty good right now. Climbing a little bit, but I did that intentionally. There he is. Check him out. It's freaking awesome. Oh, this one's gonna fly much better. The oversized Cape floats a little better. I mean, today's an absolutely beautiful day to come out here to the field and fly. There's virtually no wind at all. There he is. I love him. I've waited a long time for this thing. I really got a lot of work into him. I hope you guys enjoy this model as much as I have. If you download it, he's pretty cool. He's definitely a showstopper. Swatting bugs away. He definitely flies totally different than the scale size Cape. I would recommend building the mid-size Cape like I put in the files. I'm gonna go ahead and bring him in. I'm gonna get rid of the shakes I've got from all the time I got into this guy. But this is a maiden flight, and thanks for watching, guys. Find them on Cults3D.com. My name is Bill from HoloModels RC.